All right, we're at 12:04. They're making some pretty great progress. We got Isaac right now. He's installing the security door locks, trying to improve the area one door at a time. If you know, you know. But plumbers and HVAC are in right now. They're doing their top outs and rough ins. So they should be done tomorrow, hopefully. We got the shingles delivered. They're on the roof right now. And then after tomorrow, we're going to have the electricians in doing their roughs. And hopefully we can have the FMEP inspection, I think Friday. That'd be pretty cool if we can get it Friday. Boom, baby. Making good progress. Woo!